Meaning of dumb.
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 Dumb. The word dumb can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to someone who is mute or physically unable to speak, or it can be used as a derogatory term to describe someone who is unintelligent or lacking common sense. Additionally, dumb can be used to describe something that is not able to speak or make noise, such as a phone on silent mode. Overall, the term dumb typically connotes a negative connotation and is often considered offensive when used in reference to people.